Oh, so what am I doing today? Well, yesterday, Nessa came down to Paintworx down in Porthcawl, Margam, because she's from Kings Lynn and she had a little bump in the van this year.
Oh, what's occurring?
She lost Rod earlier on this year and she's on her own, and she was 70 this year, but she went to see a local dealer to fix it up in Kings Lynn, up in Norfolk, and they went in something like $3,500 for it.
Uh-oh.
Anyway, through the van life community, through Paul and Helena. Paul knew Conrad. I think Roman Radford's views this guy as well. And he sent them pictures, and the price that they had for it to doing the work was like a fraction of what they were going to charge up in Kings Lynn. So it was worth her travelling down. So she went there yesterday. They needed the van for a day or 2 days. So when she came down yesterday, I wouldn't hear of it, that she slept in a B&B or a hotel or anything. So I went to pick her up, half an hour up the road, picked her up, and she stayed with us last night. I seen Conrad then, and I was showing him that when we went to Stratford for the Overlander show this year, now I didn't know whether it was stolen or whether it was it came off, because I don't know, to be honest with you. But you can see from here, there's a little bit of missing from our van. It's only 4 little hooks on it, but it's been missing ever since. So while I was up there, Conrad had a little look at the van, and we talked about fixing it. And he said, no problem. He said, I'll take a match of the colour now of your van. And I actually found out that this van, when it was came out of the manufacturer, it was silver. Yeah. Not minty blue, this lovely blue colour. It was silver. So the only reason I can think of that why it was changed colour was to do with the company that was using it for work, because it had all racking in here as well. So he did a match for me, and he said, don't worry, when you come and pick the van up with Ness tomorrow, we'll have it all sorted for you. Living bargain. Ness last night bought us chips, and we spent the evening together. David's gone to work this morning, and it's another beautiful, bright, sunny day, bit nippy, and we're going to pick the van up a bit later. But at first, I thought I'd take her for a little trip around the Gower, because to show her this lovely part of the world. Before we go on our travels, this garden was like a tip. So we've got the gardeners in. Darren's done a fantastic job. And look how big it looks. Well, we were going to have a trip down the Gower, but it seems as though Ness's van is ready, isn't it, Ness?
Yeah, he's brilliant. Good old Conrad. That's fantastic. Absolutely amazing.
So well worth coming down here, Ness.
Definitely. £2,000 plus cheaper, even with fuel, I think. You know, absolutely.
Hey, you haven't had my bill yet for staying with us.
That's right. That's true.
And Connor's going to sort my bit out as well. Yeah. So, yeah, bargain always. But well, I was going to take Ness down to the Gower, but it's getting on a bit now. It's 20 past 1, not 2, because I haven't put the clocks back. And yeah, we'll stop for somewhere for a bit of lunch, and then get you there for about 3:30, I think. I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait to see my van bit as well being done.
Nobody will recognise my van now. It's not stuck together with duct tape.
So what do you think of Swansea then?
I think Swansea's perfect. Got lovely people in it, and it's perfect.
You said the right thing, Ness. You said the right thing.
Nah,
The thing is, she's coming down in a couple of weeks' time as well, down to the gate. So she's going all the way back to Kings Lynn now.
Just to pick up a daughter.
Just to pick up a daughter, and then coming down then in the mid-December when we've got to meet down the Gateway Resort. So.
I like it when they do that. They've done that with Beetlejuice as well.
So we're here at the Mary Dillwyn, and we're going to have a bit of food here before we go up to Margam to go and see the van.
Yeah,
I've never been here before. It's a Marsden pub. I think I've got shares in them actually. Not doing very well, but we're going to have a little bit of food in here before we go back for the van. Next to KFC, and Tesco's over there, and it's just off the motorway, and they've got a little bit of a outside area, like a beer garden and a little park there as well. So they do lunch and early evening set meal from 12 till 5. 2 courses £15 and 3 courses £17.75. To a kids menu as well, and then they've got the main menu. I've ordered the steak, and Nessa's ordered the steak and ale pie. 2 cokes, no wine because I'm driving. So we'll see what this is like. My goodness, I'm desperate for a loo. Let's see what they like in there. They also do specials, look. Well, that looks nice, Ness.
It looks nice, it is. Very, very nice.
And mine looks lush. So that went well. Food was lush. Toilets lovely and clean. Bit dirty outside, but apart from that, yeah, really good. Close to Tesco's, Marks and Spencer's across the road. Ideal, but I don't need to go shopping yet. Did you enjoy it?
Did enjoy it, yes, thank you.
There we are.
Yeah, we've had a lovely time, thank you.
Yeah, we're going to head back to the van now and then go and see a van.
Go and see my...
See what Conrad's done.
See my nice Sonny. Bless him. He won't look the same without duct tape, thank goodness. Oh, I was so embarrassed about that.
If I can get some photographs, I think I know somebody who's got some photographs of what it was like.
Yeah.
And I'll stick them in to see what it was like.
Yeah.
But it's all going to be spanking new now. And mine, I can't wait.
I can't wait to see him.
As I said, I don't know whether it was thieves nicking that little bit.
Did I
Or
know
whether it was...
No, I didn't. It's
Or
okay.
whether it was just... It's just come off. So... But it's been fixed anyway, that's the main thing.
Oh, bless you.
And there it is!
He's looking happier, isn't he? Can't wait to see him.
So come on then, show me where it is.
Okay.
Where was it? Which side?
The right side.
This side?
Yeah. It's smashed up all that. Oh, I've done a beautiful job. Oh, look, he's back together. Perfect. They've done an absolutely perfect job. Look at that. It was all bashed in here as well, and they've done that. Hey!
It was what?
It's all bashed in here as well.
So you're well impressed, are you?
Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. You can get off here, Spider. Thank you. Get off. You're not welcome on.
So what are you going to say to Conrad then?
Oh, I'm brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
And if you want any work done in your motorhome,
I hate coming here.
come to
Coming back.
Paintworx.
Yeah, Paintworx. Conrad, he's an amazing guy. Absolutely fantastic.
Happy job, happy
perfect.
job. Oh, I'm glad you're pleased.
Absolutely perfect. God, couldn't be better. It's brand new again.
Looks as though it
I've
needs
got
a
to
wash.
go pick it. He needs a wash. He does need a wash. God, look at it.
So I think she's happy, Conrad.
Yeah, apparently so. Good. Another happy customer. She's hugging everyone. I'll let you do any work for us.
I never thought he'd look the same again. Oh, it's fantastic.
All the way from Kings Lynn down to Talbot Margam. I know she's a happy bunny. And it cost her about a quarter of the cost that some bugger was going to charge her up in Kings Lynn. So, yeah, well happy. So that's enough about Nessa's. Let's have a look at mine now, is it? The only difference I reckon with the paint, because the paint had to be made up, it was a colourless colour, if that makes any sense. So they've done a match on it and we'll see how good it is now. The only thing is about the dirt. Conrad? So that's the little bit that came off. You look. Win it.
Yeah, they like the little vannies and what?
No, but my van is dirty. I think that is a perfect match.
Really, van just needs a wash.
Yeah. Well, I'm well chuffed with that. Look at that.
Oh, what's occurring?